Hello guys, this is Mohammad Rafiq with you. In this video, let me show you how to fix the issue, which is while you're trying log into WhatsApp on your Windows 11 PC and WhatsApp shows that it's trying to loading the chats and it shows keep on loading and not ending. So let me show you how to fix it. For that, click on Start menu, then click on Settings. Here, click on Apps, then click on Installed Apps. Here in the search box, search for WhatsApp. Hit Enter. Here, click on three dots, then click on Advanced Options. Here, under App Permissions, try to turn off or on the location sharing. And under Background App Permissions, select Never option. Under Run at Login, click Configure Startup Tasks, select WhatsApp and turn off. Now scroll down and under Terminate, click on Terminate. This will immediately terminate this app and its related processes. After this, try to check whether the issue resolved or not. If not, try to reset WhatsApp. Here, you can see two options, Repair and Reset. In the Repair option, WhatsApp data won't affect it. Click on Repair to repair WhatsApp. After this, try to check whether the issue resolved or not. If not, try to reset WhatsApp. In the Reset option, WhatsApp data will be deleted. Click on Reset to reset WhatsApp. After this, try to check whether the issue resolved or not. If not, try to uninstall and reinstall WhatsApp. For uninstalling WhatsApp, click on Uninstall here. Now WhatsApp will be deleted from the system. For reinstalling WhatsApp, in the search box, search for Microsoft Store and click on Microsoft Store here. This will open Microsoft Store. Here, in the search box, search for WhatsApp. Here, in the search results, select WhatsApp and click on Install. Now WhatsApp started the installation. Just wait for some times to get it installed. Okay, now WhatsApp installation is completed. Now close Microsoft Store, click on WhatsApp to open. Okay, now the WhatsApp is opened. Now let's try to log into WhatsApp. You can see that WhatsApp opened without any issue. That's all guys. If this video helpful, hit like and share and subscribe for more.